Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
GABA receptor. GABA receptor is a pentameric structure, and this GABA receptor is assembled as 5 subunits. So we have 5 subunits of GABA receptors, each with 4 membrane spanning domains. So these are actually the 5 subunits are present, and they have membrane spanning domains which are selected from multiple polypeptide classes. So these subunits have multiple polypeptide classes, like we have alpha class, beta class, then gamma class, theta class, eta class, pi class, rho class. Yep. The major isoform in among all these subunits, the major isoform is GABA A receptor, and this GABA A receptor is found in many regions of the brain. And this GABA A receptors in the brain, it contains two things. It contains two alpha 1 receptors, it contains two alpha 1 receptors, and it contains two beta 2 receptors, and it also contains one gamma 2 receptors. So this GABA receptor is actually, it functions as a chloride ion channel, and it is activated by the neurotransmitter GABA. Actually, the sedative hypnotics have low affinity to GABA B receptors, but the sedative hypnotics which are there, which we give like benzodiazepines and barbiturates, they have low affinity to the GABA B receptors.
thank you and thank you for watching.